Hello, my name is Craig Carlson. I'm the Director of Technical Services here at KBRS. Today I'd like to talk to you about two tileable shower solutions. The first product, the KBRS Tile-Basin, versus our competitors. At first glance, both of these products look similar. They both have integrated flanges, curbs, and are factory waterproofed. However, there are four key differences. The first difference is drains. With our competitor, you have limited drain options and locations. Versus KBRS, we can manufacture a product any size, any shape, any drain location. The second difference is the flange. With our competitor's product, it is critical to get a tight seal between your backer board and the flange. Whereas with KBRS, your backer board sits inside that flange and therefore eliminates the possibility of a leak. The third difference is the installation method. With our competitor's product, you're going to need to mix sand, mortar, and water to create a mortar bed mix. With KBRS, you only need to use a standard modified thin set. The fourth difference comes into play with the installation of your tile. With our competitor's product, you're forced to use an epoxy thin set, which has enormous time constraints. When you use KBRS, you simply use that same modified thin set you used to originally install the product. Now I'm going to show you how quickly and efficiently you can install the KBRS Tile-Basin versus our competitors.